Fried rice, stir fry or cooked rice. You can eat it by itself or with other dishes. This is a popular dish of Southeast and East Asia. In this video, we will go over how to cook fried rice with shrimps. This video will show you how to cook for 2 people. You need canned corn 80 grams or 2.82 ounces. Pre-cooked carrot, cut to small pieces 40 grams 1.41 ounces. Peas 80 grams or 2.82 ounces. Soy sauce 3 tablespoons. Bouillon powder. It looks like this. You can buy it from Asian grocery store. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Pepper. Cooking oil. Cooked rice 350 grams or 20.34 ounces. Scallions for decoration 2 units. Garlic for the taste. Prawns 10 units. An egg. Peel off the garlic. Crush them with a knife. Just press the knife over the garlic. Start cutting them to as small pieces as you can. Garlic will make the fried rice taste better. Scallions. Also cut them to as small pieces as you can. Scallions will be used as decorations to make the fried rice more colorful. Also, they will add to the taste. Heat up the frying pan. When the pan is hot, add the cooking oil. Add garlic. You add the garlic first to set up the aroma and the taste. When the garlic is getting the golden brown in color, it means it is ready. Also, no need to use too much oil. About 2 tablespoons should be enough. We don't want the food to get too oily. The garlic is now starting to get the golden brown color. We will now add the prawns. We add the prawns first because otherwise they will take longer to cook due to the rice that we will be adding afterwards. Carrots, we should pre-cook the carrots beforehand. Peas. Both carrots and peas can be bought in any grocery store. Add corn. This is to add some color to the food. Keep stirring until the prawns are completely cooked by having a red color. This one, for example, isn't ready yet. Soy sauce. Sugar. Fried rice is easy to make. Anytime you have leftover rice, you can make fried rice out of it. Bouillon powder. Now the prawns are starting to be ready. Egg. When the prawns are cooked, add rice. Use two spatulas to easier mix the ingredients. If there are rice that have clamped up, break them up like this. Remember to have a taste regularly. And there it is, fried rice. Top it off with scallions. Pepper. And some decorations. There.